Hi everyone, welcome to Nirja Educations. Hope you all are fine. Now we are going to know about the other states, that is Nagaland, Mizoram and Tripura. This is the last state we are going to know about this Himalayan northern mountain regions, right? So let me start our work. Nagaland. Nagaland is located in the northeast side of our country. Its capital is Kohima and Dimapur is the big city of this states. 16 major tribes in Nagaland are famous for that. Each tribes has their own distinct language and dresses. That means they have their own languages, their own dresses. All more than 60 or 16 main major tribes we can see in this region Nagaland, right? 16 major tribes we can see in the Nagaland, and the agriculture is the main occupations of these people of Nagaland. Rice, corn, millets, pulses, tobacco, oil seeds, sugar canes, potatoes and fibers are the famous crops we can see grown here well. Now the festival of this Nagaland is Hornbill Festival. This is held in the December month, and traditionally beauty can be seen in the mantas of this Jafua, the Zukula Valley and the forest of Patkai Hills and tribals villages. We can see the beauty of this Nagaland, nature beauty of this Nagaland through this regions, right? Now we are going to know about the another states, that is Mizoram, right? Mizoram is the smallest state in the our country India, right? The capital of Mizoram is Izawa, and the bamboo dance is well known dance all over the world. We can see over here the people in this area, this Mizoram peoples are very famous for this bamboo work, and bamboo dance is also famous from these reasons. The people in expert in can and bamboo work. The women are wearing a traditional dress called Pune. Dampa Tigers Reservoirs and Murlan National Park, Blue Mountains National Park and Nagpulia Wildlife Sanctuaries are well known tourist attractions of these regions. So here we have to know about the Nagaland and Mizoram. The Mizoram is the smallest state in the India, right? Now we are going to know the last state in this particular regions, that is the Tripura. So let's we know about it. So dear friends, Tripura is the third smallest state of India. Its capital is Agartala, and it is peoples are dependent on the agriculture and forest, and women wear a traditional clothes named Rinai and Raisa, and men wear a towel like clothes, that is a Rikuta, Gamcha, and shirt, it's called a Kubai. These are the traditional dresses of this Tripura regions. In 2016, Deepika Karmakar, she is become the first Indian athlete to qualify for the Olympic Games, right? Now the famous places from this Tripura are the State Museum, Heritage Park, the Nirmala Palace and the Ujjanta Palace, Tripur Sundari temples and Urkoti and the Tribals Museum. These are the famous places or tourist attractions we can see in the Tripura states. So have a nice day. Goodbye.